What's up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. In this video we will continue to test the 1997 Evoc Loyalist Eliminator. Got my security man right here, making sure no criminals approach, making sure everybody stays safe.
We got extra body armor today.
In case you guys missed it, here's a recap of the previous video where we brought the Evoc out to play. We rammed the refrigerator, we rammed an oven, we burned rubber, we put this beast to the test. Plus much more. Video in the description, don't miss it.
So this is Funny Man's punishment for not finishing his work project. He refused to work and be lazy, so we're gonna give him a ride on the Evoc. See how he likes it. No.
All right, got our drinks. We're here getting gas.
Told her you can catch me in the breeze, in the trees with the G's, blowing something sick.
Ran into a fan here. What's your name?
Rico.
Rico. This is Crown Rick Auto.
We're gonna take a picture. All right. All right, perfect, guys.
Cool. Here you go, man.
Man, I appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure.
That's
man.
for you.
Appreciate you watching. So the funny man's gonna volunteer. He's gonna volunteer to take a hit in this chair.
No. Nina do it. Speak up.
Let it go.
Go.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I killed Funny Man!
Oh, he's still alive.
Oh man!
What have you done? Are you okay, funny man?
Go.
You alright? Yeah, he's alright. Look, he's smiling. Alright, guys, we're gonna have a push off. We're having a push off. Woo! It's lit, boy. Let's grab a mess. Push off. The Evoc. When you're ready. Oh my gosh. All right. Whoa. Now that is a push off.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Woo!
Get the heck get out! Hey, I'm not gonna lie, I gave up. I couldn't breathe. Look at get the smoke.
Oh, look.
Look at that smoke cloud. Leave it. Woo! I'll see that one. I quit. I wasn't quit. And you were smart to put your windows up. One.
Oh man.
No, it didn't matter, bro. It was all in the car. Oh.
Whoa, let's get a like for that one.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, guys.
Oh, damn. We cooked.
Look at that cloud. Thunderstorm coming. We're gonna attempt donuts. Donuts. Rocks are flying everywhere. Real quick, want to give some shout outs to the Gaming Wolf. Says I'd make a great cop. Thank you. El Jerry 360, shout out to him. Soldier HD, Dale Kearney, Skeleton Plush Productions, says he hopes I find a gun. Thank you for that. Good video. Hashtag Rip Funny Man. Thank you, Paul Itzia. I think that's how I say it. I think that's how it's pronounced.